In this lecture, we are going to talk through soft tissue release, the theory behind it and how it is carried out. This can be a very powerful technique, and again there are many books on the topic, all with slightly differing methods. As long as the method is safe and effective, you can vary it to work for you. This is a soft tissue mobilization technique. We are going to look at various versions of this technique. This includes passive, active assisted, active and a frictional form. The aim of soft tissue release, also known as STR, is to remove physical blocks within the tissues, and the effects include increased mobility of the soft tissues, promotion of optimal scar tissue formation. Here timing is important. If you treat too soon, you could cause further damage. The breakdown of fibrous adhesions, positive influence on soft tissue repair, improved joint range of movement and promotion of muscular balance. This can be quite an aggressive technique, so care should be taken as further injury can be incurred. In fact, if you are breaking down fibrous adhesions, then there is a degree of damage being caused. You need to work within your client's pain tolerance and the tolerances of the structures. So work with the feedback of your client as well as the observation of the tissues. This means good communication skills are required throughout the technique as well as observational skills. What you are doing in a way is creating a new insertion point for the muscle and then stretching the muscle. So you are creating a more specific and intense stretch. You could, for example, pin just above an adhesion, and as you stretch the muscle, the stretch is more targeted to that adhesion. Start by moving the structure into a shortened position, then pin the structure. Take care of yourself here. Make sure you use a strong pin position. By this I mean protect your joints. Often I use a fist to pin, but elbows, fingers or thumbs can be used. The harder you press in, the deeper, more intense the treatment is. So start lighter if you are unsure and build in. Once you've got a good position, you lengthen the structure. This can be done passively, you doing it, actively assisted, both you and the client doing it, or active, just the client. I also mentioned a frictional style technique. This is where you keep the pin in place and move the leg back and forth between the lengthened and shortened position. Normally when you return to the start position, you actually release your pin. Each version can be repeated several times. You can also work your way through the length of the muscle. You can now complete the quiz associated with this section and move on to the demonstration videos of soft tissue release.